In this lecture, we'll talk about something related to posts and the pages. We have discussed about posts and pages in detail before, but we only learned to customize them using the simple WordPress editor. Here in this post section, you can notice that there are no such page named post or blog. Suppose I add a post here and write first blog as the title. I'll copy this text and I paste it here. I'll then click on publish. I then click on View Post in the bottom left. Here the first blog can be displayed as you can see. If I go to the website, however, it cannot be seen there. Even if I try to open all of these different categories in new tabs, I still cannot find the post that we just created. Okay, so why I cannot find it anywhere? This is because we haven't customized it yet. So first, I'll make a page, and then we'll see what we can do to fix the issue. If I just make a page, it won't be displayed automatically on the website. I'll show you how to proceed step by step and have it published on your website. So I'll make one and write blog in the title. I then click on publish. I go to my website and I refresh it. And as you can see, we can't find the page anywhere. So to solve the issue, I'll go to menu here. We talked about menus in the previous lecture. Okay, so I go to view all and select this blog page that we just created. And I then click on add to menu. Here, we talked about menus in the previous lecture. Okay, so I go to view all and select this blog page that we just created. And I then click on add to menu. Done. I save my changes by clicking on Save Menu, and I then refresh my page here. And as you can see, the newly created blog page is now visible to us. Amazing! Now if I want all of my blog posts to show in the blog section, so for that to happen, I'll go to Settings, then Reading. Then here in the Posts page category, I choose Blog. I click on Save Changes. I refresh my website and here you go. You can see the result. Then if I go to Posts and add new post, let's say here I write second post and save it. When I refresh my tab here, you'll see that the second post will be added automatically, and my post will be sorted accordingly to publication dates. If I click on first blog, it will open up like this. Then here we can leave some comments like I told you before. So if I write here nice blog and click on post comment, you can see that the comment is now visible. If I refresh this tab here, we'll see that the comment is being displayed here. When I click on the comment icon here, you'll see that I can also approve or unapprove it. Let me tell you one more thing. Here you see the edit post option, but the edit with Elementor option is not visible, however. So for that, I'll make another page with the name gallery and I publish it. Then I'll edit it with Elementor by clicking on the edit with Elementor. Otherwise, it won't work. Okay, now, if I want this page to show on the main navigation, I'll go to menus again and add the page by clicking on view all. So the page has been added. I'll click on Save Menu and refresh it. Oh, so the page is still not visible. Let me check if there's any issues. Oh, maybe it's because I didn't save it. That's why. So I'll save it again. I refresh the website and the page is visible now, as you can see in front of you. Then when I click on it, you can now successfully see the Edit with Elementor options. If I click on it, then I'll be taken to the editor in which I can easily edit my page now. So as usual, here are some other options. You can modify the design the way you want, and you can also add all the widgets you like.